Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making chocolate chip brownies. In my bowl I'm going to add in granulated sugar, cocoa powder, plain flour, chocolate chips and sieve in my icing sugar. In my next bowl, I'm going to whisk together extra virgin olive oil, 2 eggs, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of water. I'm now going to take my dry ingredients and add them in a little bit at a time while mixing the mixture together. I'm now going to take my brownie mixture and add it into my silicone mould. I have preheated my fan oven to 150 degrees. I'm now going to bake my brownie in the oven for 40 to 48 minutes. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.